So I upgraded to Obimy Premium, and this is just an interesting, cool app which you can try out. This is like a social media app where you can send sentences to each other without boring messages. So let's just go through it. So this is how the app looks like. It's like a communication app, but the idea of it is that you don't send boring messages usually, as you do on every other social media, or voice messages or video messages, whatever. You just send like sentences. So here's, for example, some Obimate, how they call them here, and then you can just send some kind of sense, and you can just find all different Obimates here. You can find new mate, just tap here. You can change your bio, and then just find a mate, and then you can just find some random mate. You can also share a link to add your friends, and then that's basically the idea, that if you want to send senses to other person, you can send it like that, like warm, passionate, friendly, spicy, sweet, mighty, and all of that. If you're in a premium mode, which is basically just like $2 per month or something like that, you can create a custom sense. You can just describe your action, choose your animation, and then so something like that. And then you can also, if you don't like, you can unfriend, change the name, and do all of these things. Then you can edit your own profile. If you're not happy, you can delete the account. You can enable dark mode. If you don't want, you can just unfriend other people, change name, and also you can go to their profile, see their details. You can ask mood from that person, just to ask what's their mood is. You can also go to the chat, and there is a new feature where you can chat together, and that's basically the idea of the app. Then you have also your achievements. Like, the more you use in the app, the more like gamification kind of achievements you have, and that's basically what it is. Also, you can connect your polls, and you can connect your steps to this app, and then you can also customize your obi, your own profile. You can change your color. You can also change your different hairstyle and all of that. Just also, I think some of these features are locked under premium subscription. And that's basically a new updated Obimy app, which you can try to get. Some period ago, it was quite high in the social media charts in US, like in top 10, maybe even 30 apps for some period, but now it's a bit down. But this is still a pretty cool idea, as a lot of people don't want like to write messages and all of that all the time. They just want to tap a button and send some kind of emotion, like virtual emotion, or send a sense. They also have now like a home screen widget, which is pretty cool. They don't have lock screen widget yet, but I think maybe that's coming. So then you can just add this widget like that. And I think there is like some other companies where they also have like some wearable gadget, where you just tap on that gadget, and the other person who wears the same gadget will receive this kind of taps. So this is a pretty cool niche. So try it out.